Hi, my name's Mike Naidoo. I'm Executive Chef at Capture Hill Fish Market here in Weymouth. So today I'm going to cook Portland crab, New Forest asparagus and a crab XO. So we're using asparagus at the moment because it's banging season, but the vegetable in this dish can change as we progress through the summer. We go from peas to broad beans to radishes. Because the star of the show is the crab, we can adapt it to the needs. So the big preparation for this dish is the XO sauce. This is a dish that we were only able to do after years of hard work of saving bits and bobs. XO means royal sauce, and obviously it's made from shrimp, ham, prawns, so on and so forth. The rest of the dish is quite simple. We just take the fantastic Portland crab that we have on our doorstep. When we steam the crab, we steam it for around 20 minutes, depending on the size. Once it's started to cool, we'll break it down. We'll take the brown meat out and separate that, blend it and dehydrate it, and use that for something else. And then the white meat, we'll pick it down, leaving nice big chunks where we can. So you've got like a nice bit of crab to bite into. And then we flake the leg meat right down, which we use to be bound with the asparagus. Having a fish shop downstairs and then selling a lot of crab, there is an abundance of crab shells available to me. So we were making crab consomme for a dish on the menu, and we just thought it was a really good idea to turn the consomme into a pickle, and we pickled onions in it just to see what would happen. Turns out it's all right. So yeah, we just did that last year, and we're just pulling them out and using them on the dish this year. So first on the dish is the crab mayonnaise, and we put that at the bottom of the bowl. We then top that with the warmed crab, onions and asparagus, which we just dress on top. And then we warm the flakes of crab meat in the XO sauce, which we dress on top of everything in a nice little pile. And then we simply sauce on the side.